Hello there, mother. I hope you are well. It has not been easy to adapt to this new life in the place. That is beautiful, and we green areas to play with children. Mother, thy house has 2 floors. On the first floor there is the living room, the dining room, and kitchen. On the second floor there are 2 bedrooms, mine and the children. Mother, my daily routine, I hear at the 6 o'clock I prepare breakfast for my family, and 7 o'clock send my daddy to school, and 8 o'clock I leave for work until 6 o'clock. I prepare for a student until 11 o'clock and I go to sleep. Buga is beautiful, very beautiful, and tourist city is the Lord of the Miracles, the lightning jaws, and street is very quiet. It has many parks to play with children. Bye bye, I love you.